Welcome to a series of lessons where I'll explain how to get the basics of JavaScript down pat. Hopefully you've already opened the JavaScript template folder that I created for you and made your own version of it. That's what we're looking at on the screen right now. The way it works is there's three files in there. You've got your HTML file, a CSS file with just a little bit of simple styling, and then the script. So I'll go through each of those three things separately. So in the HTML, we've got all the sort of basics in the head here. One new thing that you might not have used before is this line where we tell it to look for the JavaScript script in this file, script.js, which is over here. I've also created on this HTML document one button. And when the button's clicked, it will run something called my function. That is a script that we're going to create. Over here on the right, you can see that I've created, here's the website, we're seeing it. Here's the button, run script, and this panel here where we'll possibly do things later. But for now, all we need is that button. So when we click the button, it will run my function. When I go to script.js, you can see I've got a function called my function. A function is really just a set of instructions that we can tell our code to run. So when the button's clicked, whatever is in my function will run. So let's make a really quick welcome so that when people come to our web page, they will be welcomed. So we're going to give it an instruction. We're going to create an alert. This is a type of like a pop-up box called an alert. And after alert, because we're trying to run a line of code, we want these brackets. And inside these brackets, we can put some arguments, some parameters that will change how the alert behaves. So we're going to put inside those brackets, in quotation marks, welcome to my website. We end each line of code with a semicolon. That's our way of telling the computer we've finished one instruction. When we save that, Control S to save, we can go over to, here I've got Google Chrome open, refresh it, refresh button's there. And when I click the button, it will run the script and we should get a pop-up that says, welcome to my website. Let's see if it works. Welcome to my website. There you go. Have a go yourself at creating your own welcome message to the website. Good luck.